Your sewer system is important. You use it every day, and you need a system that works today and into the future. The sewer pipe that runs along the Willamar Bluffs was built in 1982, and each day, more than 14,000 cubic meters of untreated sewage runs through it on its way to the treatment plant. It's currently located in an exposed section of beach, vulnerable to waves, rocks, and logs. This presents an urgent environmental risk because a break in this pipe would release raw sewage into the Comox estuary and Baines Sound, impacting the natural environment, our shellfish industry, and the health of residents. To address this risk, a new conveyance system will be constructed with sewer pipes built away from the foreshore in order to stop using the old pipes along the Willamar Bluffs and the Comox estuary. Traditional cut and cover trench construction will be used for the entire route, from the new Courtney pump station along Comox Road, through the town of Comox, and along Lazo Road to Brent Road to the sewage treatment plant. We are working closely with our partners, the Comox First Nation and the town of Comox, as well as residents in the Lazo Road area to minimize impacts in those communities. It will be a big project that will make a big difference in the safety of our system, a change that is critically needed to prevent an environmental disaster in our community. The final budget cost for the sewer conveyance project came down from an estimated $101 million to $96 million, allowing the community to realize a savings of $5 million. Construction on this critical project will begin in March 2024 and will span approximately 30 months. To learn more about how the Comox Valley Sewer Conveyance Project will protect our community and enable sustainable growth for the future, visit www.engagecomoxvalley.ca/conveyance project.